Hello photographers. Today is a bit different for me. I am a Nikon shooter, but a friend of mine has let me do their unboxing for their Hasselblad X2D II. Brand new. The lens for this, that he got, the XCD 35-100, I will be unboxing in another video, but let's just today unbox the camera body. Again, I'm a Nikon shooter. Hasselblad, I would always love to get my hands on one. This is a medium format. So let's take a look. Now the first thing is a very blank box, but all the details are on the back. Okay. All right, and here is you'd think, being a very expensive camera, they'd make it a little bit easier for you to get it out. All right, here we go. Not much bigger than what you'd expect from a 35mm SL or mirrorless. I guess this is how you open for the battery compartment. Yep. I can't pull it out. Giving it a good tug, but I don't want to hurt it. Maybe I have to look at the instructions and see if there's a way to pull it out correctly. The LCD pulls out, goes to 90 degrees. Doesn't swing out. Not like some cameras swing out, this doesn't. Okay. Take off the little cushion. And not sure, there we go. So you push this button, open it up. Whoa, that is a big, beautiful sensor. And on the side, you've got USB-C, and I guess that is microphone, headphone, and then your card slot here. Very nice, nice to click like that, very nice. Okay, we've got the flashed hot shoe mount. I'm told that it'll work with Nikon flashes, but I'll have to find that out. I can't turn it on because of this thing, and I can't figure out how to get that out. There we go. Oh, low battery, but that's the display. Nice splash screen. And the setup screen, which I'm not going to go through now. Okay, So these are the mounts for the strap. We've got front and rear wheels for making adjustments. Bottom's very plain, just 1/4 hole, and probably an extra function button. Okay, let's see what's in the goodie box. Then one has documentation. Well, let's see what's the documentation. We've got certificate, safety guidelines, quick start guide. And here we've got power brick, USB-C to USB-C cable, and looks like the strap. I've never ever used one of the straps that come with a camera. I always prefer my own. And that is it. So, beautiful, beautiful camera. The Hasselblad X2D II. Alright, stay tuned, because in an upcoming video I will be unboxing the lens for this, which is the XCD 35-100 f 2.8-4E lens. Thanks everybody.